moving vlog, day 3. It's like 5:10 a.m. Can't sleep. Thinking about my garage too much, thinking about getting everything put away. So I'm gonna get working. I'm gonna start putting all the attic stuff up in the attic while everybody's still asleep and clear out some space. I'm gonna get a car in here, or 2 if I can, get them out of the way, because we're gonna have workers coming here all week. So anyway, I'm gonna start moving stuff in the attic and bring you along for today or through the rest of the day, and we'll see what kind of progress we can make. I bet you this place is gonna transform. The people are coming to clean the tile in the morning, and that'll be a huge change because the tile is nasty, like gross. You can see my kid's dirt feet walking around. So anyway, here's what the garage looks like right now. Let's see if we can put a dent in this and certainly move stuff out of the way so I can get a car or 2 in here. And this garage is gonna, just wait till you see this thing, man. It's gonna be freaking nuts. All of this is gonna go away. That door that goes to nowhere is going away. We're gonna do something special with the water heater. Yeah, it's gonna cost me a few bucks, but I'm gonna make this freaking amazing. So attic's right here. I might as well show you what that looks like. And then I'm gonna get to work. So you can see it's got flooring, and I'm going to Icynene all of this, and we're gonna air condition the garage. But I can't breathe. I just carried that heavy box up here. That's crooked. So I made some progress. So anyway, let me show you the garage. Well, making some progress. You know, there's freaking kayaks here. I don't even know why we got those things, but giving those away. My M3's in here. Never ever build an 8-foot door. The stupidest thing ever. You can barely fit even a regular small sedan through it. But yeah, this garage is gonna be good. You know, the car that doesn't get driven as much will sit here. But yeah, we're making progress. Just tucking all that crap in the corner for now until I get some cabinets figured out. I'll have to move that switch tracks again, but whatever. I'm just putting stuff out of the way for now. And the rest of this, I'm gonna clean up and move the basketball hoop back in place. Park my GT3 behind here. We're looking good. Okay, our tile and grout cleaners are here. Ryan's got his basketball hoop filled up with water and set up. Somehow made a huge mess. Let's see, so I moved everything out, but you know, look how much progress I've made. I got a car in here. Only have a couple of boxes left. We have a trip. This is all gone up in the attic. We got a couple of trips of some things to take either to the dump or somewhere. But in here, many, maybe a dozen boxes, half a dozen boxes to work through. We have that one front room to work on, but we're gonna make some huge progress here today. But moved everything out here.
Then the cat ran away.
Yeah, cat ran away. And so then what we're gonna do is gonna clean all this grout, deep clean it. It should be awesome. What do you think, Ryan? You wanna put a basketball hoop in this living room?
No, I don't think it's high enough. But yeah, that is. That is too.
So that fireplace is coming out. That thing is coming out. We're gonna have a big flush wall there, so I can put the restoration hardware thingy there. The TVs galore. Yeah, making progress. We're rolling on day 3 here. I'm already running out of gas. It's 9:49 a.m.
Already took a nap.
Just a quick little snoozer. Just working on putting the chemicals down.
Drink some Tylenol.
Ooh, yeah. So if you need to get up into those baseboards, where the painters are going to repaint them, so.
Oh, okay. I appreciate it.
You know,
we generally are really, careful with it. I mean,
Yeah.
And then when we clean the edges,
Yeah.
it kind of gets rinsed down anyways, but.
Yeah, but I mean, yeah, I'd err on the side of cleaning the floors,
Gotcha,
and
no problem.
the painters are going to repaint starting next week. That's pretty cool. So what is that you're putting down? Is that like muriatic acid or something?
No, this right here is an alkaline-based cleaner. This is going to be better for getting up soils, grime, greasy type stuff. It cleans the top water, and then that pink stuff right there is an acid cleaner.
Got it.
So,
Same thing with the carpets. The carpets are coming out tomorrow or Monday.
okay.
We're gonna turn this into a new building, Rye. New house. No more funk.
I know the walls are
Place
so
is-
dirty.
Place is gonna be awesome.
The walls are so good.
No one believed me the floors were yellow. Look at that. Look at the difference. That's yellow funk and that's clean. It's just getting started. Nice, you like clean or dirty? Yep. Now we put an acid down after the base, and then this will dig into the grout. This is great. That's exactly what I wanted. All right. So now I'm going to rearrange this business here. And we'll free up some space to put some bikes and crap. We've got to sell that rack, this rack. We've got to sell some subwoofers. If you want some subwoofers and you're somewhat local, these things are pretty awesome. Let me know. We'll sell those. We're going to get this freaking chair out of here. That's got to go away because we have nowhere to put that. So this chair as well, but check it out. We can fit another car in here. I'll take another car. I don't really want to take a car to OGHQ. So this is why you do Swiss tracks. I don't really mind just regular bare concrete floor, but you have to constantly sweep it like every day almost. You want to keep it at least once a week. Keep all the grass and all that crap out of it. So Swiss tracks will solve that problem. That's why we got Swiss tracks sitting there ready to go. Alright, man, the M3 looks good sitting here. Okay, so this is what the garage is going to look like for now. And then we'll get into selling stuff and putting stuff where it belongs and all that stuff. I'm going to have to break into tools when we start tearing apart the fireplace, which will probably be tomorrow maybe, we'll see. So anyway, we got all the home theater gear out of here, and look at this, I'm using my racks. Look at that, I'm getting used to it. You know, you put stuff up there that you might use someday in the next 37 years. Anyway, I did that just for the joke of it. Put something up there. Don't buy those racks, throw your junk away. Guaranteed I'll throw at least 25% away of the stuff that I have, which is already 25% less than what I had before. So he's still cranking away, down in the floor. It's awesome. Okay, got some pizza. Floors are all looking super duper clean. Kate. You're gonna fall. She's gonna fall and bust her head. Push your chair out, please.
Yes, sir.
So anyway, we're working on. Michelle, you are gonna go work on the bathroom. Finishing up the floor here. I'm going to work on.
Yeah, I just take a bunch of
I've already been working on this. So look, this room was filled to the max, and now we got some room getting there. So I'm digging out of this room, and then we're doing, just filling up this closet for now with stuff. All right, my mom and Shelly are in here working out the master bathroom. Get rid of this box. There's another box.
Yeah, that whole thing is
Closets are kind of temporarily set up.
things that came free.
We're digging through all this
Vitamins for the kids.
garbage.
No, here. Put them right here.
Anything you've been holding on to we haven't used, throw it away.
This is all that stuff that came for you.
Yeah, throw all of it
brand
away.
new.
All of it away. Throw it all away right now. Right now. Throw it all right in there. Throw it in there. Throw it in there.
Ah!
Do
I'm
it.
gonna throw this at you.
Throw it in there. You've had it for 2 years.
That just came, but
A year ago.
this is probably
I don't give a crap what it is. I didn't pay for it.
joint health.
Throw it away right now. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it.
You're gonna get
Stop
called a
your
bully by all your people.
stop your hoarding tendencies.
Let me just see what it is.
It's garbage.
Oh my God, I hate you so much right now.
Yes.
What is it?
Good job.
So don't get happy, okay?
Good job.
No, I'm not him.
Okay, throw that stuff away too. Throw it.
Anything else?
No. Not the gold bond. Take the gold bond out.
Oh, no, it's staying. You can have a swamp ass.
We actually
I
use
don't
that.
care. Nope.
What are these things?
Oh, this is good too.
I have to
These
get
are
rid of
mine.
something you have to get rid of. Charlie.
We got a family meeting.
What?
Okay.
We're trying to figure out why this fan doesn't make any air move.
Where the switch?
Where's
Where's the switch? Oh, it's still on. Look at that, it's still on.
Mom,
What kind of
what?
speed is that? Turtle speed?
That's not on, is it?
I just stopped it and watch. Turtle
Just hold
speed.
it for 10 minutes.
All right, the flooring's done. So now we're gonna set this up here. Bring our table in. We just found a bunch of stuff in the back room. I got to take back to the new owners. Kind of set these up temporarily. And so I'm working on that. Set this up temporarily. Getting everything moving. Ryan's been playing basketball, riding around his one wheel. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what to order, and I think we have to do a sectional in here because otherwise, you know, the family won't be able to sit on the darn couch. So somewhere in the I think 110 to 115 long, about 110 to 115 long this way, I think is going to be the way to go. This is going to look pretty good. Yeah, she's going to want it. So, and we're going to bring these boxes in, figure out what we got there. How we doing, Shelly? You watching the poop vlog?
He's
Moving
terrible.
vlog?
Oh my gosh, I'm watching where I try to make Chase sit and he won't sit.
We're just starting to feel like a regular house, isn't it?
Yeah.
I gotta figure out my couches and stuff. The internet's going. This is going back to Lena's house, the buyer. I gotta pull this thing out once I dig out my tools tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll probably start working on the fireplace and this. And then, sad news, I don't think I have enough room to fit two 36-inch Sub-Zeros here. A freezer and fridge. I don't know, I'm gonna have to work on this some more, do some more measuring. So, Michelle's friends just came and picked up some stuff. So we got a little sidetrack there. Kate's taking a shower. Rai-Rai's room look pretty crappy, but we'll dig into this maybe tomorrow, Grandma, you think? Garage is looking pretty good. I got the, gonna have to load up the truck with another load with the trash. So all this stuff has to go. I think I can try to pull the GT3 over more. Yeah, I think if I pull it over more, I can get another car in here. I do need to plug the Tesla in. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what's doing. I'm gonna move the basketball hoop over there so they stop shooting against my garage. But we're making some progress. Let me turn the lights off here so we don't end up with. Gosh, how many times have I said making progress? Mike, edit out making progress. Say it too many darn times. I can't wait to change the lights in here though. It's so yellow. Gosh. Come on, Shelly, let's go do some more work.
Hold on, I want to see the fart situation.
That's at like minute 20 something.
I'm on it.
Yeah, so anybody want to buy on couch, I'll sell you the couch. Katie Bell's bathroom, no boxes in here. All we gotta do, we gotta start working on this room now. Or continue working on this room. Is this these are the only 3 boxes we have left outside of the tools in the garage?
One there.
Oh, okay. So we can get those all done, can't we?
Yeah, if you help me.
Should we order something to eat?
That's what you
Yeah.
want to do.
Oh,
Look,
another
shut
box.
that off.
Okay. All right. We weren't feeling very inspired. We're hanging it up. It's, what is it, like 9 o'clock or something like that. So we're hanging it up in this room, but made some progress. I sold this thing and figure out how to set this room up with some stuff. But yeah, we're checked out. I'm gonna go move some cars. Put them back in the driveway where they belong. Tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow they'll be doing some pressure washing. What do you think, Rye?
What?
You got nothing to say
About what?
about the end of the day? You feel like we accomplished some stuff?
Uh-huh.
Starting to feel like home yet?
The one thing we accomplished is finding my AirPods.
Yeah. You good? You feel good about that? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, we also figured out where we're going to put all our pictures. So we're going to get rid of all these. We do need to probably get a few more. This is going to go there. That's going to go above the TV somewhere. So tomorrow we'll start to get into some more higher level organization. But yeah, got some work to do. That's to say the least. Still a long way to go. But, oh, we're going to get some cabinets for above here. That will help. And who knows what else we'll get into tomorrow. But I got to go get the cars and it's raining. Yay. So I'm not going to be able to pull anything in here, I don't think. I'm just going to pull all the 3 cars down. At least I got 2 of them in the garage. All right, everyone. That's a wrap on Mormon Moving Vlog Day 3. Glasses are all wet. It's pouring down rain out there. So we'll see you tomorrow. I'll bring you along for the ride. See what we get into. I think we might start messing with that darn fireplace. We'll see. We'll see what we get into. I want to get all the boxes done. We only have 2 left, 3 left. Get Kate's room set up, work on Ryan's room a little bit, work on that back room, hopefully get rid of that big stand, put the couch together, hopefully figure out what couches I'm going to order. So I'd like to go down this week also to Aggressive Appliances, and once I figure out what I'm going to do with the washer, with the refrigerators, and the ice maker isn't really working on the fridge. So anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. We'll get into some projects. Thanks for watching. See you soon.